If you're wondering what a hedge fund is, it's a term that's used commonly on Wall Street and in the financial news, but it is not a term under the law. There's no legal definition of a quote hedge fund. So most companies that refer to themselves as hedge funds are referring to a type of compensation where they get 1 or 2% of the assets under management every year as a fee, and they collect 20% of the upside. But as far as legal definitions, they are classified as investment companies under 3C1 and 3C7 of the investment company. They're classified as investment companies under 3C1 and 3C7 of the SEC's rules and under Part 4 of the CFTC's rules. And under the SEC's rules, they're limited to accredited investors and something called qualified purchasers, which is a little higher bar. And under the CFTC's rules, Part 4, they're limited to QEPs, qualified eligible persons. And what's the difference between 3C1 and 3C7 and Part 4 funds? The funds that are registered with the SEC only trade securities. The funds that are registered with the CFTC are allowed to trade commodities, and many funds are registered as both because they trade securities and commodities. But that's the basic difference, and nowhere in the statute for either agency or in the rules drafted for either agency do you see the word hedge fund. So that's an industry term, but the technical legal term is investment companies or commodity pools. So my name's Pete. I'm an attorney with 25 years experience, and I drafted or co-drafted most of the rules dealing with hedge funds when I was at a financial regulator. And if you want to work with me either on a consulting or a legal basis, you can contact me at www.turnkeyfamilyoffice.com. And because I'm a lawyer, I'll give you the disclaimer. Although I'm a lawyer, I'm not your lawyer, and nothing here is considered legal advice. It's for educational, informational purposes only, and does not create an attorney-client relationship between you and I. Seek your own legal counsel if you have legal issues or financial issues, and like and subscribe to the channel so you'll see future videos like this.